Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use game tools on Android to enhance your gaming experience. There are various methods to enhance the gaming performance of your phone. One of them is utilizing the game optimization feature, also known as Samsung built-in game booster. So first, use game optimization. Activating the game optimization feature on Samsung phones or Android phones is a simple process. Here are the steps that you can follow in this video. Start by finding the game launcher on your phone. You can use the search bar or manually navigate through the list of applications. Next, select the More option, represented by the three-line icon located at the bottom right of the screen. Tap on the Game Booster menu and wait for additional options to appear. Scroll down the screen until you find the Game Optimization option and select it. You'll see the three options appear: Performance, Standard, and Battery Saver. Choose the Performance option to enhance gaming performance. This option will automatically help boost the smoothness of the game you're playing. If you want to switch to another mode such as Battery Saver or Standard mode, you can repeat the same steps, but select a different option in the final step. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.